Hi, I'm old Sneelock. I'm sitting in the parking lot outside the Harbor Freight Company, and I'm killing a little time while I'm waiting for my passenger to show up. So, I happened to glance across and see Gator had put up another video, and it was about ferrite cores, which he mentioned me in, and that's really awesome. I greatly appreciate it. Yes, it was a ferrite core on the end of the power supply for my digital picture frame. The digital picture frame was fading out. It would turn green and no more picture. And then it would go blank sometimes. And I thought, well, there's got to be something wrong with the power supply. So first thing I did is I unplugged the power supply, stuck a pin in the end of it, and clipped a alligator clip to the outside. No relation to Gator. This is just one of those standard alligator clips. And then I started bending the wire and found out the place where when you bent it, the power went off. And it was right there at the end of that ferrite core. And I looked at it and I thought, well, this is kind of interesting. I'll have to take that out and I'll have to fix the wire. Well, it was so close to the ferrite core, I knew that I wasn't going to be able to salvage the ferrite core. So, what's inside of it? It's always a popular topic for YouTube. And I chopped it open. And we saw that it was a sintered iron core that the wire wrapped around. And just like Gator says, it's there to choke out the spikes, the broadcast spikes that wire's trying to put out. Because those little wall warts, they're, well, let's say they're cheap. They don't put a whole lot of money in them if they don't have to. They're trying to make DC to make the equipment work. They need to have direct current instead of alternating current. So they put that ferrite core on there and it dampens out the spikes, flattens the curve on the power, makes the thing work better. So, thank you very much, Gator. I appreciate you mentioning me, and I will mention you as many times as I possibly can. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. I'm off to do some Christmas shopping, so I'll see you on the next one.